Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Microwaves do not destroy enzymes directly as they heat food by causing water molecules to vibrate, which produces heat. However, this heat can denature enzymes, effectively reducing their activity or stopping them altogether. Since enzymes are proteins sensitive to temperature, any cooking method that involves heat can impact their activity. For preserving enzymes, consider eating foods raw or lightly cooked.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.